Robert Kiyosaki, a world-renowned investor and author of the best-selling personal finance book Rich Dad Poor Dad, once again expressed his support for Bitcoin. In a tweet on April 21st, he declared his love for the world's largest cryptocurrency, citing its independence from government and central bank control as one of its key strengths. Kiyosaki's tweet recalled the time when Bitcoin first hit $20,000 and then dropped to zero. He initially thought the digital currency was dead, but over time he saw it rise back to $6,000. That's when he decided to invest heavily in Bitcoin because, as he puts it, people support BTC, not the Fed or the government. Kiyosaki firmly believes that Bitcoin will continue to appreciate in value, predicting that it will eventually reach $100,000. He believes that as more and more people realize the benefits of using a decentralized currency that is not subject to the whims of governments or central banks, the popularity and acceptance of the currency will continue to grow because it does not require a government or a bailout booking from the federal government. According to the authors, one of the most notable advantages of digital assets is that they are independent of government or central bank control. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be manipulated by governments and central banks, the value of Bitcoin is determined entirely by market forces of supply and demand. This characteristic makes cryptocurrencies a popular investment choice for those concerned about the instability and volatility of the traditional financial system.